I attended the Miss England semi-finals at the Taj Hotel in Buckingham Palace, makeup free. Just wanted to send a message around the world of girls of all ages that you can be comfortable in your own skin with the littlest makeup as possible. Me myself have been insecure for the longest time. I started wearing makeup at around 15, 16, so quite early. Because I felt so insecure in my own skin, I would just wear tons and tons of makeup to feel beautiful and live up to the beauty standards. Only now, I've recently kind of accepted that, no, I am beautiful in my own skin. I don't need any makeup to feel beautiful. So that's the kind of statement I wanted to prove to everyone. I've been receiving support from all the way from Australia to Canada, just people saying how saying how I've inspired them to feel more comfortable to just go out wearing no makeup. I think the platform is actually a great way of me speaking out and telling young girls around the world and all women around the world that you don't need makeup to, participate in a beauty contest, because we're all beautiful under our own skin.